Good afternoon and welcome to a very chilly Perkins Garages for another instalment of Dan's quickfire 5-minute-ish walk around videos. This here is a Code Orange Ford Ranger Raptor. This features the 3-litre V6 EcoBoost engine producing 293 PS of power. That then is transmitted through all four wheels through a 10-speed automatic gearbox. This Raptor boasts up to 7 selectable drive modes and has so much cool stuff to discuss. The vehicle is registered on a 2024 registration, meaning you'll be taking Ford manufacturer warranty all the way till May 2027. The vehicle itself is on 19,600 miles, and hopefully I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it. So those of you watching on Instagram and Facebook, I'm going to wave goodbye, and those of you on YouTube, we shall continue. So before we get started, if you're not already, click subscribe and keep up to date with all of our latest content and awesome vehicles we're bringing to stock here at Perkins, such as this Raptor. You wait till I show you the Mustang in a little while. If you need more information about this vehicle, click in the description below. You'll find 3 links. One will take you to the listing, you can see the pricing and all the specification, because I'm bound to forget some of it, and also there's another link that will take you to our part exchange valuation tool, and then the third and final one will take you to our part exchange valuation tool. I've lost my train of thought. Anyway, 3 links in the description, find them all there. So back to the walk around. These are the Clam design LED daytime running lights, and they've got Ford Performance LED headlights inside. Just below you can see LED front fog lights, and we have front parking sensors making themselves all the way around that front lip of the bumper. Underneath of the number plate there is a front facing radar responsible for some of the driver assistance pack on board, such as pre-collision assist and lane assist. We also have wonderful features such as this amazing Ford front grille, and we have a front facing camera for good measure. We have 4 cameras on board, and they build up to become a 360-degree camera. Put it in Doha drive mode, that will activate the front facing camera on the infotainment display, the Sync 4 module, which looks very cool indeed. We're making ourselves around now. Have a look at these all-terrain General Goodrich tyres. Look at those. So these alloys are in magnetic grey, and they look just exquisite. As you can see, we've got nice Ford badging in the middle, nice large brake calipers to go with it. Moving away, let's go upwards now. Lovely little trims there in the wings and the bonnet, coloured in a magnetic grey colour. Heated windscreen, and we also have a lot of other tech to show you. I need a step ladder to get up there. Light sensor, auto light, sun goes down, moon comes up, your lights will come on automatically. Top of the windscreen is a traffic speed sign recognition camera. This displays the traffic speed signs on the digital driver display ahead of you. Body or Code Orange matching mirror covers. These mirrors are auto folding, heated, and we also have blind spot assist monitors as part of the driver assistance pack. Back down to the door handle, keyless entry, tap on that indent to lock the vehicle and tap behind the door handle to unlock the vehicle. Beautiful side step in a matte black with Raptor badging on the side there as well. Let's have a look at this alloy as well. So the 17-inch alloy wheels here, and these tyres are phenomenal. What are they? 70s. Wow, look at the depth of them. Big fan. At the back here we have the beautiful Raptor badging again. Moving ourselves around. Wonderful rear LED, front and rear LED lights. You've got your blind spot radar in there as well, which is very cool. You've got your dual exhaust pipes, which is very interesting because we have active exhaust modes. And I shall show you that inside the cabin in a minute, but you can quite literally turn the exhaust down to quiet, have it normal, or turn it up to sport or Doha, which makes it a fantastic acoustic. Reversing camera, perfectly in line with the Detachable Tow Bar, which is just there for all your towing capacities. Check out the Ford.co.uk website, but we do have the EU socket there as well. We'll have a look inside the pickup in just a second, but we're going to have a quick look at the near side body, like so. I should have done that for the offside, and I'll do that again in a second. But it's all in fantastic working order, and the bodywork is exceptional. Love this Code Orange colour. Now back to the near side rear wheel. We've got another beautiful 17-inch alloy wheel. I'm going to follow the side step all the way down to the near side front, where you can see another beautiful 17-inch alloy wheel. The tyres are in very good condition, as you can see for yourself. The other 2 cameras feature underneath the wing mirror there, so that's the third and fourth camera if you like. Moving back round, now we're at the rear of the vehicle. Still a Ranger, still got the clamps in there as well, so you can still use this as a work vehicle, no problem whatsoever. We have the mounting top roll cover there, which on this particular one is the electric version. So if you lean in here, we have a button. You can do this by the key. To be honest, I think I've left the key inside the vehicle. So yeah, you can click the button there as well. We also have two power sockets. That gives you a 12 volt 100 watt max, and also a 230 volt 400 watt max plug socket. So there's a 12 volt socket and an actual plug socket. The hard wearing spray and liner there, so that's going to be nice and protected. So whatever you put in the back there is going to be protected and be kept in an amazing condition. Now, one of my favourite features of this vehicle so far is the interior, and it is stunning. The door cards, hard wearing plastic door card leading to a soft touch synthetic leather armrest. The door handles are superb. We have 4 electric windows. You get a switch on the corresponding door card. Now, the interior is simply stunning. Beautiful ebony leather with the red details around the outside. Actually, calling them red, they're actually code orange. They match the body colour. ISO fixing on the right hand rear and again on the near side rear. So if you keep the kiddie seats in, keep them nice and secure. On the floor there are the hard wearing rubber floor mats, all good to go for any adventure. Rear air conditioning, a USB-A and a USB-C to keep everybody's devices nicely charged up. And if that wasn't enough, there's another AC 230 volt 400 watt max plug socket. And look up now, you get your black headlining as well. Those front 2 seats are superb. Let's go have a look at them, shall we? So we're going to open up the driver's door. From here we can see lovely trims, but that's actually a suede at the top there as well. It's got a lovely suede door card leading into leather. An amazing door handle once again. All 4 electric windows, electric mirror adjustments, folding mirrors, and rear child lock is also on that cluster. Let's show you the front seats then. Beautiful Raptor badges in the neck section. You've got extra support in the lower back and the base part of the seat. These front 2 seats are heated and have electric adjustment controls like so, with your lumbar support there as well. Now I'm just going to jump inside the vehicle and show you all the buttons and switches, so you might hear a bit of distortion on my microphone, so please just bear with me a second. Okay, right, now inside this wonderful Raptor. So to complement keyless entry, down there is your engine start stop button. To press your foot on the brake, click that button once and that wakes everything up. Right, we need to put a drop of petrol in there for you as well. Not a problem, we're going to do that in a second. How cool is that though? If you're not sure where to get fuel, click on nearest fuel stations and it'll take you to where you need to be. So let's just dismiss that for a second. So we are currently in normal drive mode, and this is the digital driver display you're presented with. So to the left hand side you have your RPM gauge with your gear selector at the bottom and in the middle of the screen. You have different gauges at the top there: coolant temperature, oil temperature, I think that's diff temperature, and obviously your fuel gauge there as well. The right hand side you can do your digital speedometer, and just below it the odometer. So the mileage is 19,694.1 at the time of recording. Now this is where the goodies start. So this vehicle features many different drive modes, 7 drive modes in fact, and I'm just going to flick through them and show you what they are. So we've got things such as normal, and then we go to sport, slippery, mud and ruts, sand, Baja, and rock crawl. So they're the drive modes available. If you put it in Baja, for example, look how cool this is. It activates the front camera as well, so you can see where you're going just underneath the bumper, which is very lovely. But every drive mode you put the vehicle into, it's going to change the ambience of the screen like so. So I'm going to pop it back to normal drive mode. Let's go through one more. I've got to go the other way. There we go. So whilst I'm doing that, then we're just going to point you to the direction of the steering wheel. On the right hand side here are your menu controls. So you've got the plus, up and down arrow, the return button, and we have wonderful buttons such as this. So selectable drive mode, so you get normal, comfort or sport. Just below that is your suspension mode, so you can adjust your suspension dampers to what suits you. You've got your sport and your off-road as well. As previously mentioned, you also have your exhaust mode, so you've got your normal, sport, Baja, and back to quiet. So you've got exhaust mode for every situation to get the desired acoustic out of the V6 3-litre engine. Yeah, you've got your previous and next song function. Left hand side is the adaptive cruise control with your lane centering and the intelligent speed limiter just below it. The adjacent side of the steering wheel are your flappy pedals for the 10-speed gearbox, so you can pop it into manual and go up and down the gears like you would yeah, with your paddles. Fantastic. Into the central reservation, this is the switch for the gearbox settings in the middle, and your drive mode, you switch that round like so. Different buttons here, such as P for your navigate to parking, or the self-parking ability. You got a little button there for the traction control on and off, and you have auto stop there. Electronic parking brake, and the controls for the 10-speed automatic gearbox with a little unlock just in front of it. Wireless charging, 2 more USBs down there. We have physical buttons for the heating, ventilation and air conditioning. So dual zone system, so both sides of the cabin could be set to individual temperatures. As you can see there, these are all your heating and ventilation controls on the Sync 4 modules. Let's just pop the camera upwards and we can have a look at that. So this is the parking screen, so you've got parking assistance or navigate to parking. If we click on those buttons at the top, this will show you the display. So you've got your radio, which is your FM and DAB audio in there, like so, and obviously save all your favourites in there. You've got your Bluetooth phone connectivity, your Sync satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which are both wireless on Sync 4. So jump in, pop your phone on the wireless charging pad, and it will sync your phone onto the screen automatically. Owner's handbooks on there, sketch pad, zone lighting and towing as well. We've got in there all your vehicle settings. You can your driver assistance, your vehicle settings. There's a few little goodies on here, such as your remote start setup, also your quiet start. So again, if you live in a residential area, click on that and it's going to start nice and quietly, which is just marvelous. Exit out of there, click on your camera button and that will wake up the 360-degree parking cameras, which is just wonderful. Now, in the essence of time, I think that will do, because there are loads of other amazing vehicles to record. Thank you so much for watching this video on a Ford Ranger Raptor 3-litre V6. If you need any more information, click in the description below or give me a call. My name is Danny. You can speak to me on 01376 550 899 or drop me an email at sales@perkinsgarages.co.uk. And if you're still with us, hit subscribe and I'll speak to you very soon.